Hello friends, this is Avijit here. Welcome back to my channel Crafting with Avijit. In the previous video, I was made this fox box. If you want to watch the video, check the link in the description below. And today in this video, I will show you to make a paper wallet like that. So let's get started. At first I am taking a A4 size craft paper and horizontally fold it in half. Flip the paper and fold again in two parts. And also fold the right side part in half. Now flip the paper and fold 1.5 cm from each side. And fold the two corners to inside. Now fold it horizontally. And put the sides into there. Next, I take two pieces of 7 x 5 cm paper and paste on the outside of it with glue. Now our paper wallet is ready. If you like this video, please press the thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram.